Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and guardians, today I want to tell you something very important. Our Islamic learning review is starting soon, so get ready. I am super excited to learn with you.
We would like to inform you that the Islamic Learning Review will begin 1 week from now. In this review, students will be tested on everything they have learned during this term. Today, I will explain what we will study in the review.
Today, I will show you the two main parts of your Islamic learning review. First, Qaida and Quran. You will be tested on your current ongoing lessons. Second, Islamic essentials like Salah, Kalimas, Duas, and Islamic studies. So be ready. Insha'Allah, all of you will do great.
Students, listen carefully. You will receive your final review schedule and exact time 1 day before the test. Please revise your current lessons at home. Don't worry, I am here to help you. Inshallah, you will do amazing. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, stay focused, and keep smiling. Inshallah, you will shine in your Islamic learning review. You are amazing, and I believe in you. I want to make a special dua for all of you. May Allah bless you, help you succeed, and increase you in knowledge and wisdom. May every child shine in their Islamic learning review. Thank you, students. Stay happy and stay blessed.
If you enjoyed this story and lesson, you can learn many more beautiful stories and teachings. You can also contact us at +44 748 067 6283. Visit our website www.madaniislamicacademy.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos.